Hello everyone! Today, we're unboxing and testing the Instant Hot Brew Tea Maker, a compact and stylish machine that promises 4-second instant heating, one-touch brewing, and precision temperature control. Let's see how well it performs. This is Christopher Chow, 30 years pure tea experience in Singapore for your health and well-being. Can't wait. Come, let's go. Unboxing this smart guy. What's inside? Beautifully packed and well protected. Perfect as a gift. There's even a sturdy craft box to protect the original retail packaging. Let's take a look inside. This is the user manual and warranty card.
A tube to connect water bottle if needed.
This is the main unit of the Instant Hot Brew Tea Maker with a power cable. Yay, I agree that it is compact and space-saving, ideal for home, office, or a tea room. This must be the smart touch control panel. This machine might actually be smarter than me. It allows precise temperature selection for different types of tea. Let's test that out later. This is the so-called 1.2L removable water tank. It claims to be enough for 4 brews per refill and is also compatible with bottled water. Let's find out if that's true. This is the best part I like, the magnetic dual-layer glass brewing chamber. Heat-resistant and designed to let us enjoy watching the tea leaves unfold. Looks great.
This is the wastewater base. And the serving picture.
Now, let's put this smart machine to the test. Okay, first of all, filling the water tank. I pour 1 liter of tap water into the tank using a plastic measuring cup, proving that it's not preheated water. Then, brewing the tea. I'm using OVP's award-winning Golden Melody Chaud Pure Mini Tea Cake, a UK Great Taste Award winner. Just a small tea disc goes into the brewing chamber. Okay, now let's set up. I select 100 degrees C on the touch panel, as it is a Chaud Pure. For hot brews, the default serving is 250 ml. Now, pressing the water drop icon. Oh, the boiling water flows out instantly. No waiting, no reheating, pure convenience. Oops, forgot to reset this outflow button. Please take note this. Now it is about 1 minute. I press this outflow button, and the tea is ready to serve. Observing the brew and tasting. This is the first brew. The tea is a deep maroon color, rich and beautiful. Surprisingly, the tea in the brewing chamber looks much lighter than expected, but the final brew is absolutely stunning. Let's change another serving pitcher and keep brewing. Second brew. The smart panel auto locks, so I long press to wake it up. Look, the last used temperature is memorized, 100 degrees C. That's smart. I tap the water drop icon again, and hot water flows out immediately. Wah! Touching the brewing chamber. It's a dual-layer glass design. Surprisingly, it's just slightly warm to the touch. Safe and comfortable. Third and fourth brew. The tea color remains smooth and consistent. Every cup is perfectly extracted and aromatic. Let's have a taste. Absolutely delicious. Comparing the colors of all 4 brews. From the first to the 4th infusion, the color lightens gradually, showing a natural tea evolution. And the water tank, there's a small amount left, meaning each brew uses around 200 ml instead of the full 250 ml. Pretty efficient. Key takeaways. What makes this tea maker special? 4-second instant heating, more like instant boiling. No waiting at all. One-touch operation. Effortless brewing at home or in the office. Multi-level temperature control. Perfectly suited for all tea types. Magnetic brewing chamber. Easy to attach, detach, and clean. Heat-resistant dual-layer glass. Safe to touch. No risk of burns. 1.2L water tank. Enough for 4 brews, plus automatic water refill. Dual function. Remove the brewing chamber, and it becomes an instant hot water dispenser. Great for coffee, milk powder, or even warming up baby formula. Ready to elevate your tea game? Special offer. Get this smart tea maker for just SGD 199. Limited time deal. Receive 30 servings of award-winning OVP tea for free. Want it for free? Subscribe to our 1-year OVP tea plan for SGD 658. You'll get 400 servings of premium OVP tea delivered quarterly to your doorstep. The Instant Hot Brew tea maker for free. Click the link in our bio to order now. This is Christopher Chow, 30 years Pu'er tea, experience in Singapore for your health and well-being. What do you think of this instant tea maker? Let me know in the comments.